What I did was, in a second I'll show you on the front of the machine how the tub itself became loose. Worked this bolt off, which was making a lot of noise out of the drain hose here. So I went ahead and put that bolt back on. And what we'll do is we'll come around here. This thing's clean. I've done cleaned it up. As soon as I tighten this tub up here, it's ready to go. We're selling. We'll sell it. What we're going to do here, very, very clean. Let me show you what the deal is here. It's not the rod itself. You can see that tub sitting very straight. If you look inside the tub here, the tub itself has become loose. So what we'll do is you reach in here, there's a little cover right here. Get a flathead screwdriver. Pop this cover off. This is 7/16 bolt right here. I'll take this bolt out. Alright, once you got that bolt out, I had to shake this thing loose. A lot of times they're stiff, okay? When I started working on these things the first time, I used to think these things just don't come out. I'm like, I don't know how these guys do it in the videos. They pull it straight out. All you do is you wiggle it. And you just kind of work with it. And you'll hear it start to lift up. And it'll pull right on out like that right there. This thing is clean. So what we're going to do here, grab me a Phillips head real quick. I'll be right back. Grab me a Phillips head. What you want to do, you don't want to use a drill on these washers, because I tell you, I've took some of these washers apart. You can see this pin itself's worked this way loose. But I took some of these washers apart, and these people put these things on right here with the impact drill. Strip the bolts or strip the actual tub itself, because these screws right here are going directly down inside the tub. So you don't want to strip out the tub. Pop that pin back in place. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my drill, regular drill. You can turn it down to where it's not torquing hard. That's not tight enough. Alright, there we go. Like I said, you don't want it to hit the tub. You see how it's not catching right there. All I'm doing is barely snugging these up. I don't want it to be so tight. Oh, it's so tight. You just want the tub to be secured. I don't want it shaking. gonna go back around it one more time. Make sure they're snug. Like I said, I don't got it torqued out to the max. I got it where it's just tight enough to see that the bolt's tight. All right. That's 1, 2, 6 bolts total. 3, 'All right, that one's good. 4, 5, 6 now. Got a hammer and nothing with me. I'll show you. Just tap this pin. This pin itself is supposed to be all the way. Yeah, let me see if I have a hammer in my car. Alright, I do not. But what we'll do, stick us a screwdriver, but here. About as far as we're gonna get that one in there. All we gotta do now, we'll put this agitator plate back. Grab the 7/16 bolt. Put it back in place. Same thing that I said with the 6 bolts underneath the agitator plate. You want it to be tight, but you don't want it. You put your elbows against both sides of the washer and just snug it up that one time. And that's as tight as you need. Put this cover back on, and as you can see, that tub is secure again, and it's ready to wash clothes. And that's how you tighten the tub on a Whirlpool washer. Really, a lot of these models, all of them the same, similar. Even the older style with the agitator. It's got those same six bolts and that pin underneath it that holds this tight. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Quick, easy tips to save you money instead of buying a new washer. All I got to do now with this one, so I'm gonna do it right here with you guys on the camera. The last part that's left is this one. Because I took it off at first because I like to check. People aren't wrong, okay? When they say there's something wrong with their machines, they're usually pretty right with it, okay? So she said she thought the rods was bad, so I checked the rods. That's what I do. Well, it's a simple fix. Somebody will be very happy with this